How to schedule Instagram post on the app. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your application Instagram, enter your login credential, and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you are in the home page, first of all, you have to make sure you are running business account and not the personal account. Once you have switched to business or professional account, click on this plus icon at the middle of the screen at the bottom. From here, you have to select the photo or the video that you want to schedule. Once you have selected, tap on Next at the top right corner of the screen, and then click on Next at the bottom right corner. Scroll down, and then head over to More Options. At the top, you can see the option of Add Reminder. Click on it. Now you have to enter the name for the reminder, and then click on Start Time. Select the date and time that you want to schedule the post. Once you have selected the date and time, tap on Done, and then once again click on Done at the top right corner. Beside Add a Reminder, you can also see the option of Schedule Post. You can head over to it and then schedule the post that you want to. After that, you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.